bitch. You suck. What's up, fucker? Ooh, you fucking suck. Ooh, you came into the pet store because you were lonely. Ooh, fuck you. Hello. Fuck you. Hello. I'm a fucking bird. Stupid bitch. Fuck you. Hello. Can I have a cracker? Bird up. Who taught you these words? People come into the store and teach me words. Like fuck. Tweet, tweet, motherfucker, tweet. Do you know any slurs? Yeah! Bitch. Stupid, stupid fuck. You. What are you gonna do about it? I'm a bird, stupid. I'm a fucking bird. What a nice bird, cockatoo me. Yeah, you could say that. Cockatoo me. Yep, that's what it is. Yep. Fuck you. That's right. Fuck you. Fuck you. Hey, fuck you. Hey, fuck you. Fuck you. So what? You gonna get me or what? Feed me millet, bitch. You're my bitch now. Feed me millets. I want only millets. None of that gross regular birdseed crap. Give me millets. Yeah. You gonna have some suet too? Millets. Bitch. Yeah, you're kind of funny. Yeah, and I live for 20 years too. I live for 20 years, and I have the intelligence of a toddler, and I'll pretty much yell at you your whole life. So suck it, bitch. Stupid motherfucking. What are you gonna do about it? Fuck you. The worst owner ever. Fuck. I live forever, man. I live forever. It's like getting married. Yeah. Fuck. This bird's gonna curse at my funeral. Yeah, you take me to your funeral. I'll sing you a song. It'll be gangster rap or something. Fuck you. I don't know, the prophetic fish was friendlier. That fish is fucking crazy. They put cocaine into the water. Hello. Can you tell fortunes too? No, but I can bite you with a bite force of 40 pounds. Do you know how much that is? Here, stick your finger in next to my face. I'll bite it. 40 pounds of pressure. Stupid. Do they? I bet the fish will help me with my feng shui. I help with your feng shui, bitch. I'm a cockatiel. I'm a fucking cockatiel. I'm the best feng shui.